Hello, 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 Auntie. I just saw a hen. She was just roaming around there and she was counting her eggs. You know, she could count her eggs, really, really. I'm not lying, okay? Just look at my teeth. I can't lie, okay? And it turns out she was a mathematician. my breath. I lost my breath. Oh my god, that was quite a laugh. I just lost my breath. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really, really sorry. I'm a strong cat. I have strong teeth, but sometimes I could be weak. So, let me tell you something of knowledge that you can remember. Do you know which mountain range is the longest in the world? Do you know that? Is it Himalayas? No, it's not. It's not Rockies, guys. It's Andes. It's the Andes mountain range, which is the longest mountain range in the world. You know that? And Himalayas are the youngest mountain range. And Rockies is the oldest. So Rockies is like the old guy. Himalayas is like the young guy. And Andes is the longest. So I think so. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much. I'm gonna go. I'm not evil. I'm not really evil. I'm just a